Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. In the xy plane above, the two graphs intersect at 2 points. What is the value of b? So here we have a graph of parabola and line. So the parabola and line intersect at 2 points over here and here. Okay, we have to find the value of the unknown constant b in the equation of the line. Okay, so when I look at this graph carefully, the parabola given by this equation intersect the x-axis in 2 points. One is over here and other one is over here. So the points at where the parabola intersects x-axis are called x-intercepts of the parabola. Always the y-coordinate at the x-intercepts is 0. So to know the x-coordinates of the two x-intercepts of this parabola, so what I have to do is I have to plug in y equals to 0. Okay, now first let me write the given equation of the parabola, that is y equals to x square into 4. Now let me plug in y equals to 0 to find the values of exponent these two x-intercepts. Okay, now let me plug in a y equals to 0 in the given equation of parabola. Then we get 0 equals to x square and negative 4. Now let me solve for x square in this one. So for that I'm adding 4 to both sides. This negative 4, positive 4 will cancel. I'm getting 4 equals to x square, or it can also be written as x square equals to 4. Okay, now to solve for x, what I have to do is I have to get rid of the square. For that I have to square root both sides. So whenever I take square root on both sides of an equation, for one of the square roots I have to consider positive or negative sign. Usually we consider positive or negative sign for the square root which contains number inside. So this square root contains a number inside, so we can consider positive or negative sign for this square root. And on the left side, the square root and square will cancel out. I am getting x equals to positive or negative. So the evaluation of square root of 4 is just 2. So the the x coordinates of the two x-intercepts of the parabola are negative 2 and positive 2. So then this x-intercept of this parabola is negative 2, 0. So because always the value on the left side of the x value on the left side of y-axis is negative, and this x-intercept is positive 2, 0. Okay, and also when we consider this particular x-intercept, that is negative 2, 0, so it is a point of intersection of the parabola and the line. Since it is a point of intersection, we have this point negative 2, 0 on the line as well. Since we have this point negative 2, 0 on the line, we can plug in this point negative 2, 0 in the equation of the line y equals to 2x positive b. So let me write the equation of the line, that is y equals to 2x positive b. Since we have this x-intercept of the parabola, that is a point negative 2, 0 on the line, we can plug in negative 2, 0. That is, we have to plug in x equals to negative to the x coordinate of this point, and y equals to the y coordinate of this point, that is 0. Okay, now let me plug in 0 for y and negative 2 for x in the equation of line. Then I'm getting 0 equals to 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 positive b. So to solve for b, I have to get of this negative 4. For that I have to add 4 to both sides. When I do so, the negative 4 positive 4 cancelled. I'm getting 4 equals to b. I got the value of b. The value of b is 4. We find this 4 in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.